Come on. Where are we? How we doing, guys? Let me know. Hello. I'm just seeing if you can hear me there. Hello. Let me know if you can hear me in the comments. I don't know why it's not moving down there. And then I'll move on to the what do you call it? I'll move on to the news if you can hear me. Let's just check first of all. We've still got 30 minutes until the news arrives, so let's wait and see. I don't know if you can hear me. Hello. Weird. Okay, hello. Share screen. Edit, let's see. Cancel. There it is. Yes, okay, it's moving now. Nice one, Brian. Hey, Ricky. Yeah, there's little dots down here on the screen, mate. I'll share my screen now. Don't know if you can see it. There's little dots. Let me see. Chrome tab. Do we want that? Yes, we do. I want it window, actually. Posh. There's see these little circles? There's these little circles, and what else? 2 seconds. I will move this across to here. Bosh. Oh, come on. What are you doing? Oh, I didn't fucking want that, did I? 2 seconds. There we go. Now we're talking. Hello, Ricky. How are you, mate? So, what have we got? Let's have a quick look. Det blir så lätt skrang. Why is that not showing me the whole week? There we go. What time we're on Wednesday? We are waiting until 8:30, so I've got 25 minutes. Pardon me. I jumped on early because I anticipated some fuck-ups with YouTube Live, so that's fine. Wait, see this, Brian? These guys have just updated their Prime Market terminal. And look at that, what they've got now. Smart Bias Tracker. Instantly tells you from every single source, fundamental data, bank research, hedge fund positioning, retail positioning, monetary policy, trend, seasonality, overall, very bullish for USD. Happy days. This is so much easier. Euro, neutral, bearish. Man, I've been saying it from the fundamentals, right? Bullish. What's this? GBP, yeah, it is very mixed. Retail positioning, very bearish, yeah, because they don't know what they're doing. Neutral, downtrend, bullish, neutral. So that's very mixed data, right? Mixed insight. Excuse me. AUD, bullish. Fundamental data, bullish. Bank research, bullish. Hedge fund positioning, very bearish. Because they do it the long term, right? They're looking at this for the next 12 months kind of thing. That'll be why they're bearish. They don't give a shit if it comes up just now. Bearish, neutral, downtrend, bearish, neutral. Yeah, dog shit. NZD, turbo bearish. And it's like I said, when you look at NZD USD, you'd never in a million years buy that. Although you could, in terms of value, right? You could have entered the buy, but you just wouldn't do it. CHF. Is it bearish? This is mega. What a tool. Wait, where is Canadian dollar? Oh, CAD, okay. Neutral, bearish, very bearish. Yeah, very bearish. Yeah, okay, that's cool. So is AUD in comparison? Yeah, I see. Exactly what we're talking about, Brian. We were saying AUD and CAD, both of them are shit, And look at it. The both of them are absolutely shit. It's great to see it here. And such an easy format. Again, look, as I said, you could take the buy from here, but it's really shit. AUD USD, you'd never take that buy in a million years. You really want it to come back. I want to see it hit here, to be honest with you. Because I'll show you. If we use the fib to determine an area of value in the weekly, that right there, it's not even the 382. I mean, it has to come in here for the 382, you know? Isn't even reaching the 382, so that's dog shit. 618, bang, right there. Look at that. Small candle, large engulfing, one's broke. Ooh. Let me just move this. That's really what we want to see right now. I mean, this. Bish, bash, bosh. There we go. That's what we want. Nice. Euro AUD, nothing. All the Europeans are shit. Look, it's all weak against weak, you know. Shit. It's definitely bearish, but I'd actually like to see this. I mean, this could happen, so I'm going to keep that there. But I'm just going to do another one. I'll do this. Boom, boom, boom. All right, here we go. So we have this, and we have this. There's the two entries here or here. That's obviously a shit entry. That's the best entry. This is kind of the most likely entry though, because given, you know, so we have to kind of weigh things up. Let's have a look at the, yeah, dog shit, 382, 618. That right there is the golden entry. That would be absolutely fantastic. Right, let's have a look what else we have. Yeah, I'd like to see it come down. I'd like to see it come down here, actually. Same again. I'll just skip through them because we've covered a lot of this. Here, you can see it. Yeah, I'd like to see this. What else? Japanese yen looking like? Yen, yeah, neutral to bearish. It's pretty neutral, yeah, it is. Because it's showing good data, but, you know, that's just new data that's came from average earnings being increased and people spending a bit more money, and it's slowly building up, but manufacturing and everything is still bearish. So that's, yeah, that's shit. Where was it? Here. Yeah, still need to wait. GBP USD, yeah, let's mark it up to favorite area. 382 is really shit, but it could go there, so we just have to bear that in mind. And then, wait, I'm gonna adjust this. There's a small little one there, but also I'm gonna include that small pin once it's been broken. You know the drill, Brian. Boom. So I don't like this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move it up to here, because why I'm moving it, I wouldn't even take that if it came in. You know, I wouldn't. In fact, I'm just going to make a new one. Remove. Let me just clean up. Okay. So what we are looking for is, well, that one's already there. Okay, so I'll do this. Bish, bash, bosh. Okay, and this one will be here. So let's see what happens. Excuse me. Even if this one did reject here, you would, I mean, there's no value at all. You know, it's really shit. In order to take that, where it would become good, is you'd really need to wait for this. Boom, 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 and then enter it here. That would be your entry. It wouldn't just be the breaking of it, you know, no point. NZD USD, yeah, there's no way on earth. Look at USD, right? Very bullish, overall very bullish. NZD, bearish. You know, look, it's just fucking alarm bells everywhere. There is no way, even if you didn't have that, you just knew fundamentals, there's no way you'd you'd buy that. Fuck that. I'll keep these markups where they are because they're fine. NZD CAD, yes, same again. Let's just have a leg in that shit. So let me rejig this. Let's see what we've got. Yeah, 618. Boom. That's lovely, jubbly. That's not even a 382, so we can ignore that. Yeah. This is, I'll put a green marker. That's the one we want. Let me just tidy up because, excuse me, because we wouldn't even touch that. Okay, that's what I want. Move. I can tidy this up because that's already happened. Yeah, and obviously the other one would be if it breaks below, boom, boom, boom. That would be a second entry. First entry, second entry, however it works out. Shit, would be up here. What's this? USD CAD. Yeah, CAD's very, yeah, fuck that. We will see more movement in USD. We'll see Louis Banyak movement going. We'll see a lot more movement up and down. But it's bullish $1,000,000% overall because he hasn't done his he hasn't done all his tariffs and stuff yet, right? So the market's still like, what the fuck's gonna happen? So they need Trump to announce his tariffs, and then you'll see the moves. Excuse me. USD CHF, yeah, you wouldn't buy that, or even just looking at this USD, very bullish. CHF, bearish. Again, yeah. So you wouldn't be selling that. I meant to say, sorry. Just wait for the buy. I marked these up 500, 618, 786. Let's see what we get. You probably found this little pin here. You probably find I'm going to mark it up. It comes here. Bang. But obviously over this way. Boom, boom, boom. Where are we? Bish, bash, bosh. All right. Green. I'm just going to slide that over. There we go. Okay. USD Japanese yen. Where's the volume kicking in? Hey. The volume's here. Let me just tidy this up. What's that? That was here. I'll get rid of this because we don't really need it just yet. It's old news. Let's do a little bit of fib. Yeah, there we go. 786. Happy days. So I'd really like to see this. Bish, bash, bosh. Or it could come in here. The 618, that's fine, but I would love to see it hit the 786. Boom, boom, boom. There we go. Dixie showing weakness. That's fine. It's just a pullback. All it is a pullback. Oil. Let's have a silver hatch. I still think oil's going to come up here. You know, I think it's going to go like this. Boom, and then go. Gold, silver, copper. Yeah, I'm still in copper. It's weird that, and it's still the same. Look, it's as if it's coming down there. See that? Look, and then when you look on XNES, it's where is it? Come on, there we go. Look, it hasn't budged at all. Look at that. You know what I mean? What we're on now? Quarter past. Let's have a look. Economics. Let's just have a look. Mortgage applications. Oh, massively down. market index, mortgage reference index. So we want to see this PPI month on month. Let's have a look at what it's previously done. It's been shrinking again. See, it did come up. It did come up the month on month, but it's been coming down because that was the month when we were getting good numbers, and then it just went really shit again. Good numbers November, decent numbers December. January's probably going to be poor numbers. I see. They think they forecast at 0.2. PPI year on year. Let's have a look. It's been increasing. So let's see if it increases again. They think it's going to go to 2.4. Raw materials prices month on month has been, it has went up, but it has decreased since last month. Raw materials prices, that's increased year on year. GBP USD, okay, mate. Ito, bearish. That is very, very bearish, mate, but you just can't take it yet. I'll show you. So let's have a look. So kamu bisa bahasa Inggris gak? Bang Reki, bisa bahasa Inggris? 2 seconds to find it. Okay, mate, nice. So from here, you can see that you could buy it. Kamu bisa beli dari sini. Nice one, mate. Mau bahasa internet. So you can buy it from here, right? Kamu bisa beli dari sini. Tapi kamu harus pikir, you need to remember, it's a counter trend trade. Because right now, GBP is weak. USD is very, very strong, especially because we have Trump, right? But remember, markets can't just keep going down and down and down and down because banks don't want to enter here because there's no value to enter. If they enter here for the sell, they're not getting a good price, right? So they want it, they'll pull it. What they'll do is, since coming down here, they'll start taking profits off the table and this will start to rise, right? Now, can you take the trade from here up to here? Yes, you can. But you need to remember, if you choose to buy this now, you're choosing a counter trend trade, right? You're going against the market. You're going against the banks, blah, blah, blah. You're going against fundamentals. So what you're doing is, if you buy this now, you're entering a trade which offers you the lowest probability of making money and the highest probability of risk. So you don't want to do that, right? Trading is about choosing the trades which have the highest probability of making you money with the lowest probability of risk. That's the point, right? So what do? Excuse me. You wait for the pullback, right? When this pulls back, you want to wait to sell it, right? So you can grab your Fibonacci. You can drag this down to here, boom. And you want to look for areas of value, right? So the 382, that's dog shit. The 500 is good. That's okay. The 618 is fantastic. And the 786 is incredible, right? So my favorite is actually this. In this one, sorry, my favorite is the 786, but sorry, what I meant to say was my favorite in this trade is actually this area here. You see this? I'm going to zoom in. You see this small candle? Wait there. See this small candle with the large engulfing? That shows you that's where volume kicked in, right? A large amount of volume and then the liquidity grab. Once it broke this zone, this will now be the area where volume kicked and it comes up, boom. So what it will do is, more often than not, what you'll find is it will come back up, retest here, reject, and then go. We just have to be aware that it might retest this area here because you've got the 200 EMA, right? So it may come up, retest the 200 EMA and melt. That's why I've got it here. But the one that I would really like to see, the trade that I really want to take is this one here, if it comes here. So I'm going to mark that with a green zone. That lets me know that this is my favorite area, right? This is my preferred area. to enter the sell from here. I'm just going to ignore the buys. I'm not going to take the buy. I'm just going to enter the sell here, right? Or I may enter it here, but we need to see what price action does once it gets here, right? Let's see. Will the volume kicked in? There, look, volume kicked in right here. So it very well could come here, and then we take the trade. All right. Excuse me. And if we look here, I mean, I don't even need this. I could already tell you just from doing fundamentals that USD is bullish and GBP is bearish. But look, USD bullish, bullish, bearish, very bullish, neutral, uptrend, bullish, very bullish, right? GBP bullish, bearish, bullish, very bearish, neutral, downtrend, bullish, neutral. So overall, it's kind of neutral, right? But you can see that the USD blows it out the water, right? Absolutely blows it out the water. So that's what we're going to be. My suggestion is that you eat the cool mint strips. That's pollution, mate. That's Jakarta's pollution. I can't eat the cool mints because they are full of sugar and I am allergic. Saya punya alergi gula, jadi gak bisa. Harus pindah, bro. Harus pindah dari Jakarta. Kalau gak mau batuk. Toxic banget udaranya. Where are we? Udah 10 tahun seperti ini, Bang. USD, have you any more? Is there any more pairs that you want to see, mate? Let me know and I will cover it. How long have we got? We've got is it like 7 minutes. Why does it keep doing that? This week. Okay, let's see. Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, 7 minutes. So let's watch it on here. These two are the same, Ricky, right? Trading economics is the same as Forex Factory, but you get far more news. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And then if you come here, you only get 1, 2. The numbers also come in much faster. If you come in here, the numbers will already show. And if you go Forex Factory, it's going to take ages. NASDAQ. US 500, where are we? Boom, NAS, okay. So for me, mate, I'm really waiting for it to come back down and retest maybe this zone here, but I'd like to see it retest here once the 200 EMA is here. So it's probably going to rise, mate. Then you're going to see it crash down and lump down, and then it's going to reject, and then it's going to fly. So I'm just waiting for the pullback, mate. That's it. It could be this top zone here, or it could be here. So we just have to wait and see what happens. It will keep going, but it's kind of slow just now because everyone is really waiting for President Trump to release his tariffs, his tariffs on China, tariffs on Canada, blah, blah, blah. That's why the market still isn't really moving as much as we like it just yet. Right, let's jump back. Let's have a look at the news. How can I do both? Okay, so Canada. Let's have a look at a Canadian pair. Odd CAD. So what have we got here? CAD very bearish. Yeah, and Oz is neutral. That's dog shit. So what we want to see, yeah, if we get, well, I mean, we don't want to see anything. We don't really give a shit about this pair. This is just like an educational live to show you how it pans out. But if we see good data from Canada, we could potentially see this come down. Boom, here. We'll potentially see it come, obviously not all the way down there, but we'll potentially see it pulling back down. And if it's bad data, you'll see this. What the hell happened? You'll see this pulling up. All right, it's that simple. USD, yes, mate. Let me have a look. It's either gonna go. Look, the only thing For me, this is just my method, mate, because remember, I do the weekly time frame, right? Because I'm a swing trader, so I do weekly time frame. What you could see is, let's just have a look. There's 3 options. Boom. Right. If I was to enter it, I would only be taking buys. I would not be taking sells on gold. So it's either going to be this, boom, 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 enter here and go, right? Or it's going to be down, down, enter here and go, right? Or it's going to be this, boom, 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 bang, away we go. It's either going to be one of those. This, for me, this would be my preferred. Obviously, you can take it from here and here. Not very good value in the weekly, but yeah, it could definitely pan out because, look, they are massive zones. See, when you come down, they are massive zones. So it could come down here and go. We have to wait and see. It could even come here, I just don't want to cover the bloody page and drawings. Hold on. Hold on. Yeah, it could even come to there. Could break above, retest and go. Could, if you drew a box from here and dragged it out, it could come back down, retest there and go. Yeah, there's so many options that could happen, mate. For me, I would wait. I'd be waiting to see this here and go, or here and go. This would be my preferred because it's very good value. That's why. Right, let's go back quickly to EuroCAD. Just want to see a Canadian pair. Let's see how this pans out on the news. Come on, update. So we are expecting mixed data. We're expecting lower, higher, higher. Oh, we're expecting good news. So let's see. So if we get good news, here's the thing: if we get numbers, right? If the numbers come in pretty much the same as what's expected, the market probably won't move, and that's because it means they've already priced it in, right? They've already priced it in beforehand. If the numbers are a fair bit over, like maybe we get 2.6, 4.0, 0.6, if we get 0.6 here, it'd be like, wow. Then you'll see the market move. An AUD CAD, you would see it going short, right? You would see it coming down. And if we get weak numbers, then we'll see it going up because the Aussie would then take the lead at that point. But see, it's weird. This isn't showing that that's important news. It should normally show red when it's important, which that doesn't here. However, if we look at Forex Factory, it is red. So I don't know why. I would have thought trading economics would have highlighted that as red. Right, let's see. Here we go. Same, higher. Wow. So we should see AUD CAD melting. We should see this coming down, right? Let's have a look. AUD CAD. Where are we? We should see this coming down now. Well, if it has an effect, it may not have an effect. That's the thing. For fuck's sake. Is it? No, let's see. 0.2. Oh, previous was 0.6. Aye, that's still good. That's great. Raw materials prices, great. Raw materials prices year on year, great. So it should, in theory, that should be coming down. I mean, the market isn't moving, so it could just be because both pairs are so shit. The market isn't even moving, mate. Let's see GBP CAD. No, it never had any effect on the market. So who's this? Yeah, sometimes that happens, guys, when it doesn't have any effect. It means it's already priced in, or they just don't, they just don't value it enough to even bother trading it, because Canadian dollar is really shit right now. Well, it's been shit for a long time. Let's have a look at what it's got on here. Yeah. So that should be coming down. In theory, that should be pulling back, but it's not doing anything. It isn't even moving. Yeah. Let's have a look. Yeah, nothing. No. That's it, guys. Yes, that is it, mate. No movement on that. It hasn't even budged. Hasn't budged in the slightest, So that's it. I think it's both pairs are really shit. But yeah, I'll start doing these pretty much all the time. Every time there's good news like CPI, NFP, blah, 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 I will start doing these. So I'll start pumping out a lot more lives. Soon, I'm going to have an office over there with a big, massive touch screen, blah, blah, blah. So I'm going to be pumping out loads of education stuff on that because it's really handy. And I shall see you guys soon. Stay safe. Stop sharing. Here we go, guys. See you in a bit.